In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Opera GX browser. We'll walk through the essential places to personalize the look and feel so your browser matches your style and runs the way you like. Start by opening Opera GX on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the three stacked lines. That's the easy setup menu. Click it to open a compact control panel that holds the most impactful visual options, all in one place. Begin with themes. Here you can switch between light, dark, or an automatic mode that follows your system theme. Browse the preset GX themes to find a color palette that fits your vibe, and adjust the accent color to fine-tune highlights across tabs, buttons, and menus. As you try different themes, notice how Opera GX updates instantly, so you can quickly compare and settle on what's most comfortable for your eyes during long sessions. Next, customize your wallpaper. Pick from the built-in gallery, which includes static images and animated options. Animated or live wallpapers can look fantastic, but they use more system resources. If you're optimizing for performance, stick with a static background. You can also add your own image for a truly personal touch, then choose how it fits on the start page so it looks crisp without stretching. When you're ready to go deeper, open the Appearance and GX Features sections in Settings for finer control. In Appearance, tailor the interface. Move the sidebar to the left or right, choose whether to show the bookmarks bar, adjust tab style and spacing, and reduce or enhance UI animations. Then head to GX Features for performance and gamer-centric tools. GX Control lets you set soft limits on CPU, RAM, and network usage to keep the browser responsive while you play or stream. Use GX Cleaner to quickly clear cached files and keep things snappy. You can also enable browser sounds and background music, sync lighting with supported peripherals, and customize the sidebar with your favorite services. That's it. With easy setup, themes, wallpapers, and the Appearance and GX features, your Opera GX can look sharp and run smoothly exactly the way you want.